Hey, it's JP with LeBel Landscaping. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about preparation and installation of pavers. When it comes to pavers, what's underneath matters just as much as what you see on top. At LeBel Landscaping, we build every project the right way, from the ground up, so your investment lasts for years, not just seasons. Whether you're upgrading your driveway, creating a new patio, or designing a custom pool deck, we bring the experience and attention to detail that makes the difference. We install brand new paver systems built on a solid foundation. For driveways, that means a full 6 inches of crushed concrete base. And for walkways and patios, 4 inches. Properly compacted to prevent shifting, sinking, and long-term issues. Because shortcuts in the base always shows up later, and we don't cut corners. Already have pavers that are uneven, sunken, or falling apart? We also specialize in paver repair and restoration. Lifting, resetting, and bringing your hardscape back to life. Being arborists, we can also create a strategy to prevent damage to your trees if they are the root cause of your paver issues. And when it comes to materials, we only work with the best. Premium paver and travertine that not only look incredible, but stand up to Florida's heat, rain, and daily use. Every project we take on is built with precision, care, and focus on long-term durability. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about installing pavers, it's about creating an outdoor space you're proud of every time you pull into your driveway or step into your backyard. If you're ready to do it right the first time, LeBel Landscaping is ready to help.